In order to use the last models, you simply go to aistudio.google.com. Then in the run settings, you can choose the last available model. So for now is Gemini 2.5 Pro, which we can see that is a preview from 05, so the last mount. And we can see that we have another one, which is the previous mount is 0506. So if you want to use the last one, you can select Gemini 2.5, then you can select here. And after that, you can ask whatever you want. And what I recommend you to do, if you have a website, you can send the website using the Google Drive, which is really simple. Or if you want to ask stuff about your last videos, you can choose YouTube video. So it's really simple. And what is interesting is that if you choose YouTube video, you can send the YouTube URL. You can also specify the start and end time, and also you can select the frame rate. And if you want to understand more this video, for instance, you can simply write here. You can press here save, and you can ask, what is this video about? Without watching the video, the Google AI last model will respond information about this video. And after around 58 seconds, he's saying all about this video in a few words here. And yeah, everything is really relevant here. Also, this is not all. You can go to stream, and if you want, you can ask about something on your screen, or you can talk in real time, and this is really cool. Also here you can select the last model, and you can start sharing your screen and get information about your screen, or maybe asking about a game, stuff you don't know. And yeah, this is in real time. Also, we have here the generate media, and here we can use Veo, Lyria, Imagen, Gemini speed generation. You have a limited time here. You can generate around 11 videos here if you want to use Veo 2. Veo 3 is not actually available yet. Also, if you want to go deeper, you can use build, and this will build an interesting app. And you have here some examples. So let's say build an AI chat that helps people and respond. I'm going to enter here, and we can see that he's thinking, and let's see what will be the final result. We can see here that he's saying Code Assistant is optimized to work on the Gemini model series and Imagen. We're exploring better support for modalities like live, audio, video, and more. Stay tuned for more updates. And also we can see that we have here save this app, download the app, deploy to Cloud Run, also share the app. And as you can see, the AI is starting to create our scripts for the application. We only wait, we say here what we want to do, and as you can see, he's doing everything for us behind the scenes. He created some components. He created the app.tsx, constants, index, everything we want. And as you can see, we have also the preview ready to go. And we can see AI chat assistant. Gemini AI. Hello, I am Gemini. How can I assist you today? Is this AI working? Let's see what he's saying. Yes, I'm working. How can I help you? What can you help me with? Let's see. I can help you with a variety of things. For example, I can answer a question, provide information, help with writing, or brainstorm ideas. So it seems that this AI chat assistant is actually working, and if you want, we can deploy it. And as you can see, we can choose here this button. You can see that we can go to Google Cloud Project, and actually you must enable billing if you want to continue, so I'm not going to do that. But we can actually download this project and we can test it on our local machine. But you can see the preview, everything is working. Let's ask what is the current date. Is actually not this one. It's saying that is 2023, so it means that this AI. So I'm saying no, the current date is actually, thank you for sharing it. Based on my current information and training data, the date I have is October. Possible there might be misunderstanding, but my systems indicate the year is 2023. So sad. Right now is actually 2025. Up to date. Let's see what he's going to say now. I understand you're concerned. You are correct that my knowledge has cut off point and I don't have real time on by moment awareness of this current date and time, like a calendar app or live clock. My internal system are based on the data I was trained on, which gives me the context of late 2023. So this AI was trained around 2023, but we actually are in 2025. But this AI assist is actually working, so this is phenomenal. That was everything. This is with how you can use last models. So this one is the powerful one, and here you can select the last one. Also, you can use this to stream real-time info from your screen and ask information if you want. Also, you can use these models. You can see that you also have other models. So these first four models are actually the one that they are recommended, but you can try some other models as you can see here. Let's see what is happening if you go here to the single speaker audio, and we can see that he's using Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview TTS text to speech.
Right. So, gather round close. This one's a bit spooky.
As you can see, the style instructions are here. Tell the following story in a painful, scary style, as if you are talking to a group of campers at a campsite. And as you can see, he generated this audio
Of a scraping sound. Slow, real slow.
and it's really okay, as I can hear here. So yeah, can't only generate video, you can actually generate sounds, not only video here in this tab. So this is really useful, I think. So yeah, this is everything. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.